This is CPM Calculus Chapter 1, number 56. Kit loves shortcuts. When calculating with fractional exponents, he looks for a way to avoid using his calculator. For example, he found out that 8 to the 2/3 power equals 4 by using the method below. So basically, we will be using Kit's method to evaluate the following expressions. So for reference, we can put down his method here. So he said 8 to the 2/3 power equals the third root of 8. And we kept the 2 outside. And by determining the third root of 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 squared equals 4. So to begin, we'll start with A. So 100 to the 3/2 power. If we follow exactly what Kit did, we will begin off like this. 100 to the 1/2 power with 3 outside. And 1/2, as we know, is ultimately the square root. So we solve whatever's in the parentheses first. So the square root of 100 is 10. And 10 to the 3rd power equals 1000. That's using Kit's method. So for B, 27 to the 4/3 power equals, remember what Kit did, so 27, and we follow whatever's in the denominator. That's 3, so to the 1/3 multiplied by 4, the 4th power outside. So following Kit's method still, the third root of 27 to times 4 times the 4th power. So the third root of 27 is 3. You can think about it as 3 times 3 equals 9 times 3 equals 27. So then 3 to the 4th power equals 81. C, 16 to the 3/4 power equals 16 to the 1/4 power, because remember, you look at whatever's in the denominator, times the 3rd power equals the 4th root of 16 to the 3rd power. So the 4th root of 16 is 2, because 2 times 2 equals 4, times 2 equals 8, and then 8 times 2 equals 16. So that's why it's 2. 2 to the 3rd power equals 8. Lastly, D, 9 to the 4/2 power equals 9 to the 1/2 power. We get 1/2 from the denominator once again, and we multiply it by 4. We're ultimately expanding it because you can go reverse, so then it could be 4 times 1/2, and you would end up back here, 9 to the 4/2 power. But since we're trying to solve for a single digit answer, we're moving on. So the square root of 9 to the 4th power, and we know that the square root of 9 is 3, and to the 4th power, it's ultimately 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81. And that is how you use Kit's method to evaluate the following expressions. This concludes CPM Calculus, Chapter 1, number 56.